From Thailand, from Bangkok, where a mass shooting event has taken place in Bangkok in a market. 6 people have died, is what the preliminary reports are saying. The news that is coming in, 5 of them, it's believed to be, security guards and others there at the market, as well as the shooter who seems to have taken his own life. So that is the big breaking news now coming in. Very shocking news, given one doesn't often see this sort of incident taking place in Thailand, but this is in Bangkok. What we understand is that this is a market area. This is a fresh food market, and this shooter went on a rampage. There you can see him on your screens. They're horrible scenes, really, with the bodies strewn around the people that he had shot at, finally taking his own life. So those are the visuals that are coming in. Extremely shocking that such an incident has taken place. A gunman, shooting at innocent people. We believe it is the guards who were at the market, security guards who were killed. A woman also is said to have been killed in this shooting incident, and the shooter has killed himself as well. That's what we believe. Amit Khanna, journalist from Bangkok, joining us. Amit, if you can tell us, what is it? What can you share with us? What is the latest information on this shocking shooting?
Okay, so what we have got to know is that this security guard used to work with the same establishment, the owner who was shot, and along with 4 guards. And there was some rivalry while he was working with them, and he came back and discriminate fire on in the market.
All right, and 6 people dead, 1 woman also?
Yeah, see, the woman was the owner of the shop.
I see. Okay, so it's some sort of personal grouse, personal issue that led to this very shocking shooting, and it's not something one often hears from Bangkok, incidents like this.
Yes. No, but then 2023, a similar mass shooting that had happened in Thailand in Paragon Mall, where a 14-year-old boy went on a mass shooting.
All right. Thank you so much, Amit Khanna, for joining us with those details. So what it does seem is that it was a personal grouse, as Amit Khanna was telling us. This was a person who worked as a security guard as well, and perhaps he had been, berated or fired, and he returned there and shot the owner, who was the woman who was shot dead, as well as 4 other security guards before finally shooting him.